pretty sure, is the new world record for a Lego vacuum engine. So this turbine differs from previous ones in that it uses smaller blades. And of course, if a car and a tractor are both going 30 miles an hour, the tractor's wheels are going to be spinning a lot slower than the car's, and naturally the same with the turbine. So this definitely helps, and another thing that helps is the way I shaped the inlet, which I will talk about in a future video. But today, we are going to run this thing and break the record and listen to the lower buzz that it produces, which is the axle being slightly off balance. Vibrates enough that we can use that frequency to figure out how many times it is rotating per second. So let's go and do that. It is not going to blow up because the way this is built, it's actually very sturdy. So let's go run it.
Alright, this is not going to be dramatic at all. Do that.
And here's that note. It's D4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that frequency is 293.665 hertz. So if we type that into the calculator, 293.665, and that's our rotations per second. We multiply that by 60, and we get 17,619.9 RPM. Insert yay sound effect here. So this is, in fact, the new record, and I will do a video explaining this, taking it apart and stuff in the future, maybe even a tutorial. So, yeah, there it is.